Puro madam, please begin.
Need to show some practicals over this.
Yes, sir. It is.
Hello, everyone. Okay, let's go for the session. Hello. So everyone need to introduce. So my name is Mitra.
So just a minute. Jiten sir, should we start?
Please.
Jiten sir, hello.
Madam, please begin. We are
Jiten sir.
live.
Okay, okay. Thank you
Hello.
for the great introduction. We are gathered here for the webinar on career opportunities for certified officer workers with the demo of internet security and mobile security. The webinar is arranged by Tinkering Hub with the joint efforts of Bharat Polytechnic Institute Computer Engineering Department. The speaker of our today's webinar is Mr. Rizwan Sheikh Sir and Smeet Patel Sir. Due to some inconveniences, Rizwan Sheikh Sir won't be joining us today. So let me give a quick introduction of Smeet Patel Sir. Smeet Patel Sir is a cybersecurity analyst at Pristine Info Solutions, Ahmedabad. He takes the training of Cybercrime Department of Gujarat, including DCP of Gujarat. He also encourages students to pursue career in cybersecurity, having the expertise in CTF. So without any further delay, I would like to hand over the session to Smith sir and I request him to begin the session.
Yeah, hello, good morning, everyone. Another available, right? Alright, so let's go through the sessions. So everyone knows about the hacking and other stuff, right? So right now the failures to growing, right? About the cybersecurity and other, right? So what do you think guys about the hacking? So like people knows about the hacking like कि कोई particular system के या फिर कोई particular social media के etc. कैसे फैच आउट की जाता है. So we show some of the practicals की how we try to get the some of stuff right in hacking. What are exactly hacking? So hacking it's kind of a unauthorized access about the system and this stuff. Right? For example, whenever the company has the servers and this stuff, right, and a hacker try to get the access from the server right, with the unauthorized, it's kind of without permission, आप कोई भी चीज perform करते हो, right? It's kind of a hack. The same things, they are one more. It's called a ethical hacking. Just a minute. I need to change the. You guys have a sound issue or something? Echo or something? You guys have any issues? Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Alright. I'll be back on presentations. Okay. So what exactly we cover on the hacking, right? So we heard about the hacking की like कोई particular system का या कोई particular phone का etc. का unauthorized access लेना. But वही जगह पे talk about the ethical hacking. कि what exactly ethical hacking? So in ethical hacking we need to secure our companies, governments and etc. Recently I work with the government right on some of the projects right कि कोई particular crime हुआ है. So how you should take a look at right कि आज किसी ने कोई कार्ड का या फिर किसी के बैंक अकाउंट के या फिर किसी के बैंक से पैसे चले गए या अदर स्टफ हो रहा है. So we'll try to solve it out right कि उसकी केसेस में अपन क्या क्या चीजें कर सकते हैं, try to get the recover the money and other stuff. So in ethical hacking we need to secure our companies, governments and other stuff right. But what exactly is cyber security? So in cybersecurity phases, we need to give the security services to our country. Like for example, the companies are जैसे कि E-Chip होगा, Reliance हो गया, and other stuff है. तो उनके अंदर we need to give a security कि आज कोई उनका नेटवर्क हैक ना कर पाए. So for the cyber security, we need to give some certain securities to the companies and other stuff कि how we can try to secure the stuff. Same things on about the cyber security. There are three more pillars, right? Like first one, pre-security and pre-breach, incident response, and forensic. So in pre-security and pre-breach, we need to give a first security. तो kind of कि आज कोई कंपनी है, so they consult about the security guidance कि आज हम हमारी कंपनी में क्या क्या चीजें इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. So a cyber security guy gives them a consultation about the security. कि we can implement a firewall, we can implement a servers, we can implement IDS, IPS, we can implement a SOC centers or a SIMS technology or other stuff, right? But in case we implemented a more security, but security is a myth. We cannot say कि the security like the system was 100% secure or something, right? So in case चलो आज मैंने कोई security implement कर लिया and वो break हो जाती है, तो on that note, when we security breach, कि आज डेटा ब्रीच हो जाता है, right? उसके बाद हम लोग क्या सर्टेन सिक्योरिटीज प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, वो काम एक कंसीडर होगा एज अ वन पिलर साइबर सिक्योरिटी. देन देयर इज अ सेकंड पिलर, इट्स कंसीडर्ड एज अ इंसिडेंट रिस्पांस. नाउ इंसिडेंट रिस्पांस, तो नाम से ही बड़ा आइडिया आता है कि कोई अटैक हो रहा है तो एट अ टाइम इंसिडेंट रिस्पांस करना. फॉर एग्जांपल, आज कोई कंपनी के अंदर डॉस या डीडॉस अटैक परफॉर्म हो रहा है, इट मीन्स कि कोई कंपनी के सर्वर एक्सेट्रा डाउन हो रहा है. So on that time, company need to respond at a time to try to stop the attack. That's considered as an incident response. And talk about the forensic. So in forensic, we need to identify, जैसे कि कोई नॉर्मल मर्डर केस एक्सेट्रा होता है, सो उसमें एक पर्सन की फोरेंसिक की जाती है. सेम वे से we need to identify टेक्नोलॉजी, कोई सिस्टम है, कोई लैपटॉप है, कोई पीसी है, कोई फोन है एक्सेट्रा, राइट? सो उसका फोरेंसिक कैसे किया जाए. तो इन फॉरेंसिक वी नीड टू इन्वेस्टिगेट कि हाउ एग्जैक्टली क्राइम वर्क एंड क्राइम क्या 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 चीजें हुई थी, किसने क्राइम किया हुआ है, वो सारी चीजें आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए हम लोग फॉरेंसिक यूज करते हैं. नाउ वी हैव अ प्री-सिक्योरिटी, सेम थिंग्स ऑन इंसिडेंट रिस्पांस एंड सेम थिंग्स ऑन फॉरेंसिक. नाउ टॉक अबाउट द फ्यूचर कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली फ्यूचर इन साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड व्हाट वी कैन ग्रो एंड क्या क्या जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड एक्सेट्रा चीजें होती हैं इन साइबर सिक्योरिटी. सो वी हैव अ फर्स्ट VAPT. Now what exactly VAPT? So VAPT, it's a vulnerability assessment and prevention testing. Now I'll give you the quick intro about the VAPT. I was visible to my screen. Can someone tell me is it visible or not? Go here. Browser is visible now. Okay, so now let's talk about the VAPT. VAPT is considered as a vulnerability assessment and prevention testing. Or exactly vulnerability assessment and prevention testing. So vulnerability assessment, we need to identify a rule from a website. For example, we have a website, it's called a demo.testfire.net. Right. In this website, we have a search button. I will zoom it out. So here we have a sign in button and other stuff. We have a search button. I'll search my name, Hello Smith. Let's click on the go. So I got the result from the website Hello Smith. So now every time मैं कोई भी चीज सर्च कर रहा हूँ तो जो चीज सर्च की है वो मुझे रिफ्लेक्ट हो गई. सो माइट भी यहाँ पे कोई लूपहोल्स होने के चांसेस है, बिकॉज मैंने जो सर्च किया है वो तो फाउंड है ही नहीं, बिकॉज मुझे यहाँ पे रिस्पॉन्स में बताया नो रिजल्ट फाउंड इन द क्वेरी अदर स्टफ, बट तो मैंने जो चीज सर्च की वो मुझे यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट हो गई. तो ऑन दैट नोट व्हाट वी कैन डू, सो वी कैन ट्राई सम ऑफ द वल्नरेबिलिटीज. जैसे कि वन ऑफ द वल्नरेबिलिटी इट्स कॉल्ड HTML इंजेक्शन. HTML इंजेक्शन जिसमें हम लोग HTML के जो टैग है उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. So most of the students know about the H1 tag and marquee tag and other, right? So we can start the H1 tag /H1 and we can put the ending name. So I'll just go with Hello Smith or other, right? Alright. Same way, say we can use one more tag that's called a marquee tag. You can just put the Hello Smith and /marquee close it out. There are no other tags, right? You can use it on other stuff. But in this case, मैं जो वो tags यहाँ search button में put out करता हूँ, और वो रिफ्लेक्ट होता है, इट मीन्स कि इट्स अ HTML इंजेक्शन. जैसे कि मैं हेलो स्मिथ सर्च करता था तो यहाँ ये छोटे कैरेक्टर्स में आता था ऑन अ नॉर्मल साइज, राइट. बट वही जगह मैं H1 टैग के अंदर I'll put hello Smith and I'll close it on the H1 tag and just click on the go, right. So जो मेरा नाम है वो मुझे headline H1 tag के अंदर लिखने को मिलता है, headline one, right. So it's kind of HTML injection. But वही जगह पे we can use a marquee tag. So we'll combine the two stuff /marquee. तो we start H1, मैं एक और tag चालू करता हूँ marquee. And these are the like जो tags use करें उसको हम लोग as a payload भी consider कर सकते हैं. So I'll just /H1 and I will consider as a /marquee. Just click on the go. So TV serial में ऐसा होता है कि छोटा-छोटा line है etc. like counter करता है. वैसे ही ये भी एक उसकी तरह ही work करेगा. I'll just click on the go. So like this. Hello Smith testing marquee tag and something, right. So whenever you heard this kind of stuff on a website, so we consider as a VLTT. So there are more vulnerabilities in more penetration testing exploits, so you can try it on a web application, network application, or other. So there are huge career in VLTT, right. So in VLTT you need to identify the vulnerabilities from the various. Right now the career and also bug bounty. There are more people, Indian people are considered and finding the bugs on a online platforms like a HackerOne, like a Lurkrowd and other stuff. Right. So you can identify also this kind of vulnerabilities on HackerOne or on other platforms जहाँ पे clients and etc. आपको मिल सकते हैं. Same thing in audit. In audit, it's kind of a white collar job, right? But audit needs to some kind of a certifications like ISO 27001. जो कंसिडर किया जाता है एज अ क्वालिटी इन जैसे प्रिस्टीन हैज आल्सो ISO 27001. HIPAA, RBI, PCI-DSS. HIPAA फॉर द हेल्थ केयर डोमेन के लिए यूज किया जाता है जहाँ आप हॉस्पिटलिटीज एंड एक्सेट्रा जगह पे सिक्योरिटी कंसल्टेंट प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो. RBI फॉर द बैंकिंग सिस्टम. whenever you need to audit on RBI, then on that time you need to like identify what exactly stuff and which systems are using in this banking system and other stuff, and how you can give them security and other. In PCI-DSS there are some certain networks and etc. Not all about the SOC. So right now India is going on a SOC. There are three companies. I didn't have a word like मेरे को एक का नाम याद नहीं है. I didn't understand the one company name, but there is a two company. First one is Jio and the second one was Hitachi. The two company has more SOC centers in India, in various cities like a Bangalore, like a Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, and other. Right. So in SOC we need to identify and secure our network. So SOC basically क्या है? It's a security operation center जिसके अंदर हम लोग some technology, IDS, IPS, there are other technology जिसको implement करते हैं and आपकी कंपनी की monitoring करते हैं. So SOC limited companies offer करते हैं because it's little bit costly. So you know the SOC तो आपको जो SOC है etc. implement करना है. So you can use Splunk and other services. Talk about the forensic. So जैसे अपन ने पहले बात किया कि forensic you need to investigate, right? So there are more courses and other stuff available on the forensic कि how we can investigate systems कि एक system में से क्या क्या चीजें perform हुई हैं on a RAM, memory forensic, and then you can retrieve the data from your stuff and etc. So that is one software. It's called a test disk. So you can use this software to recover your photos and other. Whenever you delete your photos and etc. And on that time you need to recover other stuff, right? So on that note you can use a one of software. It's called a test disk. I'll show the test disk. So use the test disk data recovery tool, right, to recover the formatted data, right? So it's an open source tool. You can use it out. There is a commands and everything, installation and workflows. You can watch it out over on the website which says the security. So you can check it out and you can use the software as a data recovery and etc. for the forensic. Right. Now let's talk about the types of hack. You guys mostly know about the black, white and grey. Right. what exactly black, what exactly white, what exactly gray, and there are more hackers, right? Now, what exactly black hat hackers? They work for the illegal stuff, like a scam, like companies के सर्वर्स वगैरह हैक करके डेटा लीक कर देना. Recently, काफी companies के data leaks हुए, like MobiQuick, like Domino's and other companies. But same things on a white hat, they like guy like us, जैसे जो companies को security provide करते हैं, like a cyber security analyst, consultants and other job domains. In a grey hat, they work for the growth side, black and also considered as a white. Blue hat, they kind of guy जो certain security और development side belong करता है. So like we can consider as a developer, it's a blue hat कि आज हमने कोई vulnerability etc identify किया और उसका exploration दिया है. So blue hat need to fix the vulnerability and solve the issues. In script के लिए they work for the scripts, kind of what exactly script के लिए समझा. तो इन स्क्रिप्ट के लिए जो बंदा स्क्रिप्ट्स चला के कोई चीज परफॉर्म करे, जैसे कि आज मुझे 2 or 3 स्क्रिप्ट्स आती है एंड आई नो कि हाउ टू हैक द वेबसाइट, सो आई यूज दिस स्क्रिप्ट queries and try to get the hack, try to get the databases and other from the website and others. In VBs, they started just in this field. जिन लोगों ने करियर स्टार्ट किया है in hacking and in cyber security, तो consider as VBs. Ghost, it's a deep web and dark web. Now, most of the people know about the deep web and the dark web. Because there is a tool web जहाँ पे चीजें illegal नहीं थी, like drugs, arms and passports and other many stuff. So those people, they are working on this dark web or deep web, we consider as a ghost. And hacktivist, there is a guys जो always against the government rules and regulations and other, right? So we can consider as a hacktivist. Now we need to know about some of the hackers methodology कि आज भी कोई वेबसाइट या कोई पर्सन का इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करना है, राइट? तो we need to gather the information first कि you need to know about the person or a website or a target कि उसकी क्या sufficient information है. After the gaining the information, we need to go for the scanning कि आज जितनी भी वेबसाइट के पोर्ट्स एंड एक्सेट्रा चीजें ओपन है, we need to identify from the scan. We need to gain access. After the scanning and after the information gathering, we need to try to gain access. For example, आज कोई बंदा कोई घर पे चोरी करने जा रहा है, तो पहले आइडेंटिफाई करेगा कि उसकी क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन है, कब घर पे कौन होता है, अदर्स. Then try to go for the get the details and चोरी करने जाता है. Same चीज इसमें भी है, we need to identify information, we need to scan the other stuff. And we need जो सीधे स्कैनिंग हुई है उसमें जो लूपहोल्स हैं उसका एक्सप्लोर करना है, try to gain the access. वो एक्सेस को मेंटेन करना जरूरी है ताकि we to go a second time enter, we can go for the maintain access. And at the end of the day, to complete the stuff, we need to clear our tracks. It means कि हमने जो जो चीजें परफॉर्म की है, we need to clear it out. कि आज मैंने कोई मेरे IPs या कोई मैक एड्रेसेस या अदर कोई वहाँ पे छोड़ा है, so मैं उसको रिमूव करने का ट्राई करूँगा. So that is a basic fundamental and basic methodology about the hackers methodology, like a false information scanning, gain and maintaining clear tracks. Talk about what we need to show that is a secure, that is a phishing, sniffing and network and email. I have a little bit demonstration about the website security, okay, how exactly a website works. So can you guys tell, give me answers or something? You can guys go the okay, what is website? So website is a collection of web pages. एक से ज़्यादा वेब पेजेस इकट्ठा होता है, राइट? सो एक पूरा वेबसाइट बनता है. So there are 2 types of website. The first one was static, and the second one was dynamic. Now, what's the major difference in the static and the dynamic? तो static website उसको consider करेंगे they didn't have a database or other. And dynamic website जिसके अंदर user interface है, means कि user can interact with us and they can also interact with the client and other, right? तो जिन websites के अंदर databases है वो dynamic websites होगी, और जिन websites के अंदर static जिस वही website static है they didn't have databases. तो in normal levels अपन बात करें तो जो है वो दिख रहा है, it means कि they have only front end. तो कंपनी के प्रोफाइल and etc होगी, वो consider होगी as a static website like a Gmail, Facebook and etc. we consider as a dynamic website. So we need to find and we need to know about the vulnerability It's called a SQL injection. But first we need to know about the SQL. Okay, what exactly SQL? So SQL is a structured query language, right? So we need to go for the SQL structure जो create किया होता है for the databases and etc. Right? For example, we need to find a vulnerability on a website. Like we have a good country. Let's call af.org.pk. We have a good relation with the Pakistan. Right? Over here we have a website. It's called af.org.pk. On that note, we need to identify a SQL vulnerability. So what we can do? So we can identify one parameter. It's called a PHP !id equal to. So there is one parameter जो इस वेबसाइट के अंदर in PHP !id, we need to identify this parameter. So website has this parameter kind of PHP !id. So on that note, हम वो वेबसाइट पे SQL injection perform कर सकते हैं. So there is a one more step. It's called a Google Doc. Anyone knows about this Google Doc? किसी को कुछ idea हो this doc? Okay, sorry. Now, in Google Doc, what we need to do? Google Doc help you to quick search. Kind of. आज आपको कोई मूवी एक्सेट्रा डाउनलोड करनी है, so आप लोग मूवीज का नाम लिखते हो, पीछे फ्री डाउनलोड एंड अदर स्टफ लिखते हो to download the movies. So on that note, what we can do, we can use the index of, right? On that, जिससे आपका सर्च जो है वो इंडेक्स के अंदर सर्च होगा, वेबसाइट के इंडेक्स कहते हैं. इन टाइटल, इन साइट, इन URL, there are more other many Google Docs that उसको आप लोग यूज कर सकते हो. There is a website exploitdb.com. Then you can just slash Google hacking databases to have a good Google Doc. How we can use this Google Doc? For example, we need to find this parameter PHP !id. So on that note, what we can do? I'll go for the URL $PHP !id equal to, and on that note I can just put the domain or a name or a city or a state or etc. Alright. For example, I'll go for the .pk. So .pk it's considered as a country code level domain. This is .com, .in, right? So for example, we have for the .pk. Right? I'll just search it out .pk, and overall we have the website on the .pk. Right? But I'm not doing any other websites. Right? I'll do only the website as alter-ego.mutual. No, sorry. I'll go for the Aurac Foundation. There is a foundation of Pakistan. जो एक girls organization or something चलाता है. So on this website, we need to find a PHP !id. So what we can do, we can help it Google. Right? So I'll just go back. I'll refresh the website. And we just search PHP !id equal to on a Google search. And just put the enter. And we have the af.org.pk, and in Google we have this stuff. It's called a publication details id is equal to 7. So we got the id URL, right? So हम लोग ये मेथड के थ्रू भी आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. Either we can identify on source code or another. So right now we have an ID. Okay, let's open the ID. Okay, in ID ये कोई publication.details.php का कोई पेज है. I'll copy the link and then try to get the database. So we can use a manual method, but right now we need to I'll introduce one of the tool. It's called a SQL map. Hopefully some of the people know about the SQL map. So it's a tool to try to get the databases from the website. Now we need to launch a SQL map. So first you need to know about the installation. How we can install the SQL map. But so for the installation on a Windows, I need to install Python. There is a version 2.7.15. You can install a Python 2.7.15 version, and either there is one more. You need to download a SQL map, from sqlmap.org. So you can just go and visit this website, sqlmap.org, and just search it out and try to download this zip file over. And zip file को install extract करके you can use this as tool as a on a CMD and etc. And in Linux के लिए आप just put the command on SQL map, so you can run it out. So I'll go on my terminal and you will search the command SQL map and just put the enter. Okay. Now we have a SQL map. On that note, we need to use some commands over here, right? So I'll tell you some of the commands you can use this kind of stuff. So SQL has a structure. So we need to know about the SQL map, -u for the URL. So you can use -u for the URL, -dbs for the databases, --tables for the tables, to identify the tables, --columns to identify the columns, -t for the table name, -c for the column name, --down to download the database, and etc. Right. So I'll show you how we can try to build these databases, and in databases के अंदर क्या क्या information है वो कैसे अपन fetch it out कर सकते हैं. So I'll just zooming out a little bit terminal. I'll go for the SQL map -u, put the URL, I'll just put the enter. So first ये वेबसाइट मुझे आइडेंटिफाई करके बताएगी कि ये वेबसाइट के अंदर vulnerability है या नहीं. So let's see. And it's a Pakistani website, so they can have a little bit fear, hopefully. Okay, तब तक I'll introduce one of our Pristine Info Solution course. It's called a CISCH. Now what exactly CISCH and how we should know about this stuff. So CISCH is a Certified Information Security and Ethical Hacker. In this course, you guys know about the ethical hacking and what exactly is cyber security, what exactly is information security, how you can try to get the mobile phone access. So we have some of the topics kind of a mobile security, sneaking, phishing, and other. If we have a time, right, I'll show the one of the topic. If we have a time on a phishing, yeah, we can try to create a phishing pages. So if we didn't have a time, I'll give you just some of the tools links. You can use it out on your Linux and on your Windows, or you can also use these tools on your Terminux. And in CSH, we have email security, sneaking, network security, and there are many others. We have a total 20 modules. In these 20 modules, you heard about the more knowledge on the cyber security. And apart of the CSH, if you heard about the complete CSH and you are interested on a field, you need to go more. So we have one more course, that's a CPT. It's name considered as a Certified Penetration Testing Experts. In CPT, we based on a BAPT, जिसमें मैंने आपको फर्स्ट में एग्जांपल में बताया है कि you can identify SQL injection and जैसा अपन अभी देख रहे हैं, we heard about the website कि वेबसाइट में से कैसे vulnerability find करता है, like HTML injection और जो basics है, but there is a more vulnerabilities like RFI, LFI and other. So in CPT, we have a 3 or a 4. We have a like web BAPT, we have a Android BAPT, we have a little bit about the reverse engineering, we have API testing on a WAF, and we have like network BAPT. So in CPT, you heard about the proper cyber security stuff. What exactly doing? You can do bug bounty, how you can do a bug bounty, there is some of the methodologies, etc. We covered in this. Let's go on a terminal again and check. Hopefully it's working. Okay, now I'll go for the yes. So whenever you have any kind of question answers, so we need to go for the enter or a yes. Yeah? On this, I got the information following the restore sessions. Sessions मेरा restore हो गए. And we heard about the web application, the web application technology using PHP and Apache server, and they have a MySQL databases 5.0.12. Right now, current MySQL is 8.0.12 or something, or 1.1 something. Now, we learn the website is available. We'll go for the database. this is DBA stands for the database. तो ये वेबसाइट का मुझे वो database आइडेंटिफाई करके देगा. I'll just put the enter. I'll go for the US and enter. Okay, I got the two databases, information schema and af.org.orgpk and afdb something. In these two databases, we need to gather a person information, जहाँ पे person की details and etc. मिल रहे हैं. There is a first information schema, but what is the information schema? So it's a database index, right? जैसे हम लोग कोई भी book है, right? तो उसको without index नहीं पढ़ सकते. वैसे ही कोई भी डेटाबेस है तो उसके एक इंडेक्स के बिना उसके डेटाबेस प्रॉपर नहीं करेंगे. So we have an information schema, and the second one we have a first one that will copy the database name. Now we have a database. What we need? So we need to identify a table. So there is a SQL structure. First we need to find the database. After the database we need to find the tables. After the tables we need to find the columns. And after the columns we need to find the data from database, right? So we have a databases now. We need to find the tables. So आपको जो चीज फाइंड करनी है, right, वो आप डबल डैश में डालो, and जिसके अंदर से फाइंड करनी है वो आप सिंगल डैश में डालो. So we have a dash D for the database name, and मैंने यहाँ पे मेरे database का नाम मेंशन किया हुआ. I'll just put the enter. I'll just go for the yes and put the enter. Okay. Now over here I have got the more tables. I got the admin, I have a file upload, I have a job, I have news, and I have many more things, right? So over here I have a newsletter number, right? So I do use number table one, right? In this table, जिन जिन लोगों ने साइन अप या अदर चीजें की होगी for the newsletter and other, so मुझे उनकी डिटेल्स मिलने के चांसेस हैं, right? So I'll copy the table name. I need to find the column of the table, right? So for that I'll just go for the up arrow. I'll mention dash T for the table name, and I'll go for the columns. So I remove the versus tables and we'll put the command column. Yes, I'll just put the enter. Let's go for the yes and put the enter. Okay, I got the column. Let's call a cap and number ID, email name, phone number, and other stuff. Right? Over here we select some of the columns. I'll go for the dash C. I'll go for the member name. I'll put the member name, comma, I'll put the phone, comma, and I'll put the email. After this putting these columns, you need it. I'll go for the columns, remove column कर देता हूँ and put them down and just put the enter. Yes, and enter. So now I got the some of the databases like this. I go to it, उनके नाम etc. But so we have this kind of databases जो उनकी वेबसाइट के अंदर अपलोडेड रहेंगे. I got the more Pakistani users, email addresses, names, and their phone numbers. Right. So on that note, at the end of the this, you have a path direction. Where the data stored, right? So you can go and check it out this path location. I'll go on my files and remove the hidden show hidden files. I'll go on home. I'll go on local. We have a share, and this share we have SQL math folder. I have an output folder, and we have one of the website af.org.pk. Go on a dump. Go on a database name. And here I have a number1.csv. I'll open this and just click on the OK. So we have a proper Excel file जिसमें आपको person के नाम, number and other details देखने को मिलेगी. I'll just go on a little bit right. So here you have the names and emails जो person के आपको देखने को मिल रहा है. Like this. Right. So you can check it out. This kind of stuff as with the SQL injection. You can do a more website, but don't do any Indian website and etc. If you are doing any Indian website and other stuff, so might be you have J. Possibilities there, I'm not sure, but it's depend on a website. क्या websites की कर रहे हो? Make sure you can perform this kind of stuff on a testing websites, on a demo websites, or either a Pakistani websites or other. But don't do on the Indian website and other stuff. Right? Now I will tell you about the phishing. Now what is phishing, guys? about the phishing and anything. Right? So in phishing, there are people creating the fake pages and try to get the credentials from the various website and other. But so for example, there are more websites like a fish tank and other जो आपको phishing websites के report and etc के services देती है. Right? Whenever you visit any kind of phishing website या फिर आपको कोई website पे कुछ suspicious चीजें दिख रही है, right? कि might be a fake हो सकता है etc. So on that mode you can use Netcraft anti-phishing extension or you can use an anti-phishing report. So Netcraft is a service जो आपको site report, malware and suspicious URLs के report करने देती है. So you can report these URLs and ban it out. तो तुम लोग उसको ban करवा सकते हो. And there is a one more website, so you can just put the URL you got from the phishing and तुम्हारा जो कोई भी email address है वो. तो आप further email address compulsory नहीं, आप डालना चाहते हो तो डाल सकते हो ना, cancel it. No. I'll use a phrase. There is a one more website, fish tank. Let's put the fish tank and enter. So there is a website fishtank.org. There is a company जो एक anti-phishing site launch किया था and यहाँ से आप identify कर सकते हो कि current में कौन से URLs हैं जो phishing है and आपके पास किसी ने कोई URL भेजा तो आप यहाँ पे upload करके is it phishing करके check कर सकते हो कि ये कोई phishing site है या नहीं. Right? So you can check it out with the fish tank. But how you guys can create a phishing? So now phishing it's common. There are more people know about the phishing, and in India people are aware day by day to know about this field and about this kind of attacks like honey tap and other. But so you can use the one of the script. It's called a Zard Fisher, the one of the famous and one of the working script. It's called a Zard Fisher to create a phishing page, right? So I'll go for the Zard Fisher and just go for the Zard Fisher GitHub. So I'll just do the demonstration about the phishing. I'm not telling you how you can work it out or etc. Maybe some of the people are using meshes and other stuff. That's why I'm not telling you the proper way. But I'll just code and copy and use it out. So I will just give you the demo. I will go on my desktop and cd Zard Fisher. But do not I have a sh file. I'll just put that into. I'm using creating on one of the famous social site Instagram, and on that node I have a auto or official. I'll go for the official Facebook page, and you have a 3 or 4 services like a NGDoc and Cloudflare. We'll go for the 03. First time whenever you run the script, might be there is some of the issues on the script or something or on the internet, right? So maybe it's not working or something. So you can really try. So I got the link. I can share this link to the friends and etc. So I'm opening this link on my system and just try to check it out. I got the Instagram, right? But now it's look like a proper Instagram, but the URL was not Instagram, right? So make sure whenever you perform anything, so make sure check the URL on a mobile phone and etc. Right? I'll put the username. So I'll put in my username, put link and just password. So I'm giving the password 0123, just click on the login. Whenever a person login on your phishing page, we redirect on Instagram.com and close it out. But on that node, we got the credentials. And also we got the team IP address. We got the public IP, but we have a login info, right? So this kind of stuff happens in phishing. कि आप कभी भी कोई फिशिंग वेबसाइट्स पे लॉगिन या साइन अप एक्सेट्रा चीज करते हो तो वहाँ पे आपके क्रेडेंशियल्स नहीं होने के चांसेस है. I have a one more demonstration on phishing. Hello, we have a time now. Management department. Hello. Hello, Apurva. Okay, let's go. I'll start my Windows 10 on a virtual machine, and I'm telling you one more phishing page which I created on Netflix, right? With the manual method. I'm not telling you right now the manual method or method, right? If you need to Then more stuff, you can contact Pristine Info Solution Ahmedabad branch or any other cities branch. And if you have any queries and etc., you can contact me on Instagram or a Twitter. So there is a username root r00t @drunk on a Twitter on Instagram. You can contact me on that. I'll give you the introduction about the one more stuff. What's Fishing Manual, which is based on Netflix. सेम जैसे आपने स्क्रिप्ट रन करके किया था वैसे ही आप उसके अंदर भी कर सकते हैं. क्लोज इट आउट दिस वन जस्ट टू वेट फॉर दिस टू स्टार्ट द अंडरस्टैंडिंग. गिव मी अ मिनट. Just a minute. Okay, now I got the Windows 10, right? I'll use one of the local server. It's called a XAMPP. So let's just load it. Okay, so start the X. I will start the XAMPP. Let me just go on control panel from this PC. Sorry. Go on C drive and go on XAMPP. Control panel. It's a little bit slow. Okay. I need to start my Apache and MySQL services, and hopefully I have hosted on this. Hopefully, not sure. Okay, I'll put down my default IP 127.0.0.1. 127.0.0.1. Just put the enter. So yeah, I have a directory uploaded on Netflix. I'll go on to Netflix. Okay. And whenever you put this any credentials overall, so I'll go for the drunk smooth and just put in the test at 123 or something and just like put the signing. Okay, I'll go for the signing. So it's take a little bit time to sign in, but whenever you go for the signing, you need to go for the more stuff. Okay, maybe it's taking a little bit time. Whether it's a local server, that's why maybe. Okay, तब तक I'll discuss about the Pristine benefits. कि whenever you join a Pristine, what you have the benefits. First, you have a good quality of the training. We have all other trainers. They have a good certifications and good knowledge about the cybersecurity and about the hacking. And in Pristine, you have the good kind of certification. They have a CRISIL certification company. They are also certified and other stuff. And we place the CTAs and the practical knowledge. So most of the courses have like more practical, not about the theory and other stuff. Right? Every other branches and other like companies are giving the theory knowledge on the hacking and other. But we give a more practical on the students to try to get the stuff. Right. So now I got the phishing and then just click on the continue. Whenever you continue on the page, you need to put the every details on a card details and etc. Right. So there are more phishing page जो आपके credit card और debit card details भी लेते हैं, right? So how you can do this kind of stuff? So the only way you can learn in a Pristine, and you can get the internship and a more career assistant on Pristine, right? So you can join whenever you want to join, right? That's it from my side. Little bit about the basic introduction. So sorry for the answer. he is not available for the session, right? So that's why I need to take it out on a quick. Even I didn't know about the session, can need to take the session and all the stuff, right? So hopefully you have the good session with me, right? So have a good day, guys, and thank you for having me. Yeah, thank you so much.